The best wireless headphones and earbuds right now. 1. Bose 700, the best noise-canceling headphones overall. If you're someone who wants to feel completely immersed in their Spotify playlists without any distractions, look no further than the current king of active noise cancellation. The Bose 700 is the best wireless headphones for the money, taking ANC to the next level with 6 microphones that filter out ambient sound across the entire frequency spectrum. You won't notice the crying babies in coach when watching films in flight. Bose also programmed the headphones with 10 adjustable ANC levels, 3 of which can be assigned as presets to control the amount of noise you want to hear. Even more impressive is the call quality, as the mics amplify your vocals, while filtering out background fracas. You'll also get clean sound in a beautiful package that complements any MacBook model. Battery life isn't anything to brag about, but it's stable. If you have the money, then it's worth investing in the 700's charging case to get 40 additional hours of playtime. Bose also just released a new version of the headphones called the 700UC that is designed specifically for video conferencing, e.g. Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and includes a USB-Link Bluetooth model for reliable connectivity to answer calls in a jiffy and easily switch between audio sources. 2. Sony WH-1000XM4, the smartest wireless headphones on the market. The Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones offer excellent audio quality, 30 hours of battery life and a host of audio customization features that make the headphones some of the smartest on the market. And you get active noise cancelling that, dare I say, is a serious contender to Bose's crown. And thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, the 1000XM4 can connect with 2 devices simultaneously. In addition, you can program the cans to pause whatever you're listening to the second you speak, adjust the noise cancelling depending on your activity or location, and create a 3D audio experience. And this is all before we get to the excellent active noise cancelling that's nearly equal to Bose, the incredibly rich audio experience, the 30 hours of battery life and the MIF, most improved feature, the crystal clear call quality. 3. Sony WF-1000XM4, best overall wireless earbuds. The smartest, best-sounding, and most feature-laden wireless ANC earbuds are the Sony WF-1000XM4. Sony threw in all the bells and whistles when developing the latest in Earmark series model, even developing a new chipset, Sony V1, to reduce distortion and enhance overall audio quality, which is exceptional. It also analyzes ambient noise and provides highly accurate noise cancellation that is on par with Bose's technology. That is no easy feat. Battery life receives a generous boost, 8 hours of ANC playback, from the previous version. Intelligible features such as speech detection, e.g., speak to chat, and voice activation, e.g., Google Assistant, Alexa, offer users more unique ways to operate the buds. The Sony Headphones Connect app also grants access to a ton of functionality for personalizing the buds. Sony's redesign is aesthetically pleasing, though some might find its ergonomic frustrations, like the long sound port and unstable memory foam tips, to be unpleasant at times. However, fit, along with glaring omissions like a Find My Buds function and NFC, shouldn't stop you from splurging on a pair. 4. Apple AirPods Max, sublime sound and design for a premium. Apple's wireless headphones live up to the hype with exceptional audio and ANC performance. Underneath the sleek, clean-looking design are 40mm custom dynamic drivers that pump out near audiophile-grade sound, balancing frequencies superbly well to enjoy rich mids, highs, and lows. Spatial audio helps create the illusion of a 360-degree soundscape when listening to music or watching movies. If you like the AirPods Pro's noise cancellation, the AirPods Max is even more impressive, employing 8 mics to effectively block out the majority of external sounds. Seamless iOS integration means you'll not only connect to Apple devices with ease, but also gain access to numerous software perks including audio sharing, automatic switching, and, Hey Siri, voice activation. It's ballsy for Apple to price their headphones $150 higher than Bose. However, for Apple fanboys who live on iOS and macOS devices, these cans are the ideal audio investment, if you can afford them. 5. Apple AirPods Pro, the best wireless for Apple users. The AirPods Pro isn't the ideal audio solution for any high-powered laptop, but what Apple's third-gen buds afford you is sheer portable convenience. They're considered one of the best wireless headphones for many reasons. Comfort is excellent, thanks to a new design that now features integrated tips for a secure fit. Strong connectivity and instantaneous pairing are givens for all Apple devices. The charging case is easy to carry around and supports wireless charging, so you can place it atop the Qi-compatible wireless charger on your desk when crunching numbers on your iMac. Apple also gives you effective noise cancellation to hush annoying coworkers and commuters. Sound wasn't much to brag about previously, but that has changed with the latest iOS 14 update bringing spatial audio into the mix, a feature that brings theater-quality 3D audio to the buds. Sadly, there are no updates for battery life, which is something that definitely needs to be addressed considering the AirPods Pro has a shorter playtime than the AirPods 2. 6. Bowers & Wilkins PX7 Carbon Edition, strikingly attractive with sonic appeal. This updated version of B&W's popular noise-canceling model flaunts a carbon fiber exterior, while maintaining the excellent performance of the original. The soundstage is enthralling and spacious, offering up impactful bass, lively mids, crystal clear highs. Some may take issue with the lack of EQ or music presets, but in reality, B&W did a stellar job engineering the soundstage to enjoy all types of content, e.g., music, movies, podcasts, ebooks. B&W's mic array can silence plenty of city noises, allowing you to indulge in Spotify playlists distraction-free. It won't completely block out everything, but not many of the best noise-canceling headphones do either. Battery life is another enticing attribute, giving users 30 hours of playtime with ANC on, which is 10 hours more than the Bose 700. The extra use of carbon fiber does add extra weight. Also, you might notice some stuttering when streaming music or using the Soundscapes mode, which is related to connection issues. 7. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds, best noise-canceling wireless earbuds. What if we told you Bose made one of the best wireless headphones out there, only it came in true wireless form and features the same active noise cancellation as the critically acclaimed 700 headphones? Well, they did. Introducing the Quiet Comfort Earbuds, an in-ear marvel that nearly replicates the 700's ANC capabilities, and with half the mics. You still get 10 adjustable levels and the Bose Connect app lets you set 3 favorited ANC settings that can be cycled through on the left earbud. Bose even enhanced its transparency mode, blending it with noise cancellation to make ambient noises sound clearer. The company's active EQ technology and proprietary drives were stuffed into these buds to give listeners warm, pleasant audio. Connectivity is also spot on, as Bluetooth 5.1 operates smoothly, and the Bluetooth button programmed into the charging case makes manual pairing a breeze. Speaking of the charging case, it's a big, hefty sucker that doesn't hold much portable power. The standard playtime on the buds isn't anything to brag about either, it's just barely higher than the regular AirPods. 8. Bowers & Wilkins PI7, luxury wireless earbuds with best-in-class sound. The PI7 deserves inclusion on our best wireless headphones list based on audio performance and ingenuity alone. B&W equipped its flagship buds with dual hybrid drivers that have their own individual amp, plus 24-bit sound and aptX adaptive codec support, which, in unison, delivers unbeatable sound in the true wireless category. However, it's the charging case that sold us on the PI7's sonic prowess, doubling as a Bluetooth adapter to retransmit audio to the buds. Don't sleep on the B&W's craftsmanship either, because the brand continues to build the hottest-looking wireless earbuds out there. We're fond of the durable build quality and niche details like the protruding metal cylinder housing the touch panel. Aside from the heavy price tag, the only other thing keeping these beauties from being perfect is battery life. Just 4 hours on a single charge is far from top tier. 9. Clear Enduro ANC, audiophile approved sound at an attainable price. The Enduro ANC gives you great sound, effective ANC, and class-leading battery life for $150. A full charge warrants you up to 60 hours of listening time, and that is with ANC on. Sound is dynamic and can be personalized in the companion app. There are 10 adjustable levels of ambient listening to control the amount of noise you want to hear, while Clear's active noise cancelling technology does a commendable job of minimizing external sounds. You even get some cool connectivity options like NFC and Google FastPair to instantly pair these cans with any compatible Android devices. The design doesn't stand out as much as the models in the Flow series, which feel and look more premium. In addition, the companion app needs more features to compete with big dogs like Jabra Sound Plus and Sony Headphones Connect. 10. Beats Studio Buds, Best Multi-Platform Wireless Earbuds. For those seeking something similar to the AirPods Pro that plays well with both Android and iOS, the Studio Buds are paging you. Beats designed its latest creation from the ground up, integrating an all-new processor that optimizes performance for Android devices, highlighted by Bluetooth 5.2 and One Touch pairing. The Buds will also operate smoothly on all Apple products and let you access some iOS features, from spatial audio to Find My for locating misplaced buds. Sound is more detailed this time around, delivering better clarity and dynamic range than the AirPods Pro and Powerbeats Pro. Battery life with ANC on might only be 30 minutes longer than the AirPods Pro, but at least you can extend it to 8 hours when disabling the feature. You do miss out on exclusive H1 chip features, e.g., automatic switching, Siri announce notifications, as well as wireless charging, but sound quality and noise cancellation make the Studio Buds well worth the investment. 11. Microsoft Surface Headphones 2, productivity headphones with strong sound and ANC. The first-gen Surface headphones were a notable debut for Microsoft, and its follow-up is even better, welcoming a handful of upgrades and launching at a cheaper price than the original. One can't discuss the Surface Headphones 2 without mentioning the all-new matte black colorway. It's incredibly attractive. Sound and noise cancellation practically remain untouched, rewarding your ears with deep sonics and interruption-free listening, thanks to Microsoft's powerful 8-mic system that helps filter out 75% of ambient noise. Being able to adjust the ANC and volume levels via dial controls is awesome too. Where these headphones really shine are in the productivity features, such as voice dictation with Microsoft 365 to verbally jot down notes in Office programs, e.g., Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and multi-point technology, which lets you connect to 10 devices simultaneously. 12. Anker Soundcore Life P3, Best Wireless Earbuds Value. Previously, we had the Liberty Air 2 Pro as the best wireless earbuds value, but the Life P3 offers similar performance, and at a lower price. You're getting effective noise cancellation, lengthy battery life, powerful sound, and some unique features for just $80. ANC is good enough for most situations, especially indoors, and customizing audio through the EQ lets users personalize how they want to hear music. There is also a gaming mode that decreases latency when gaming on your mobile device. The multiple color options, black, navy blue, oat white, sky blue, and coral red, look attractive as well. Bass lovers will want to tame their expectations because while the Life P3 pumps out lively sound, the low end can come off too aggressive on contemporary tracks. Also, the touch controls tend to be unresponsive at times and usually require 2 or 3 attempts to execute functions properly. Thanks for watching.